It's me, Alex Wickham. Are you looking for a wicked home? I know that many first-time homebuyers feel like buying a home is completely out of reach and that maybe you'll get to it in 30 years. I'm here today to encourage you that it is doable. I brought in my friend, Alex Hine, a financial planner, to give you a couple of tips and tricks to make this happen sooner than later. Alex?
Hey everyone, as Alex said, I've got 5 tips for you to help you achieve your goal of purchasing a home sooner rather than later. Let's get right into it. 1. Maintain a budget. The best thing you can do to save for a down payment is to maintain and stick to a budget. Understand where your money is going and then put the rest in savings. Number 2, invest appropriately. In order to get the most impact from your savings, you need to make sure they're in the right product. This means staying away from high fee funds and products and understanding your time horizon as an investor. For example, my investment recommendation would be different depending on if your horizon is 5 or 10 years. Number 3, the home buyer's plan. If you already have savings in an RRSP account, you can use those savings to help fund your down payment, making a loan to yourself as opposed to paying somebody else interest. Tax refunds from contributions to an RRSP account can also help speed up the savings process. 4. Talk to a mortgage broker about the different mortgage options. Not all mortgages are created equal, so make sure you talk to a good mortgage broker that can help you find the right mortgage for your needs. 5. Consider renting potential. Although you may be purchasing a home to get away from having roommates, they can be an excellent source of side income. Though they won't help you get approved for a higher mortgage in most cases, it can help you feel more comfortable purchasing in the higher end of your approval range and therefore allow you to buy a better home. Just make sure you get educated on when you can and can't claim from a tax perspective. My job is to help people create a budget and make the right investment decisions to maximize growth considering your situation. So if you feel this is something I can help you with, give me a call or shoot me a message. My services are free. You can reach me at 613-612-6659 or alex@shearwaterwealth.ca. That's it for me. I hope those tips were helpful. Back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Alex. Even if you don't want to buy a home, I believe that anyone can benefit from talking to Alex, so I definitely encourage you to reach out and ask questions. Once you get your foot in the figurative real estate door, it becomes a lot easier to upgrade or buy an investment property a few years down the road. Does this new information give you hope that home buying is achievable? I really hope so. Comment below and let me know. For more information, or if you're looking for a wicked home, call Wickham.